Good morning and happy Friday, everybody. I am Brian Cizek with your Center County Report weather update. Our neighbor just a few miles down the road, Punxsutawney Phil, predicted 6 more weeks of winter yesterday, and I'll tell you, it's sure going to feel like that for the first part of the weekend, today and tomorrow. But for your Super Bowl Sunday is when we're going to see temperatures bounce back to even a few degrees above the average, and it's going to remain warm into next week. And we're also tracking the possibility of a pretty strong storm coming our way on Tuesday into Wednesday. Some more details coming up on that in the 7-day. But let's rewind. Let's take a glance at our current conditions, mostly overcast. And we can see the sun just peeking its head out over the clouds. And those clouds will start to evaporate as the day goes on. And this is a look over the Penn State golf courses. But what the pictures can't tell you is how cold it feels out there. Most of Center County in the teens right now. Beech Creek just getting out of the teens at the 20-degree mark. And as we zoom out as the state as a whole, very cold all over the state, nowhere above freezing at this point right now. A little warmer down to our southeast, but we see all these purples, and that indicates temperatures still in the teens right now. It feels very cold if you go outside, so make sure you cover any exposed skin and bring out all the stops in terms of the winter clothing. But precipitation-wise, really not much going on. We have some lake effect snow around Cleveland and up in New York, but maybe a few flurries across the state, but overall fairly dry right now. And that dry pattern is really going to continue for at least the next few days. We have this dome of high pressure right here, which brings that clockwise circulation, and that's going to come into our area just to our south. And this is Saturday morning at 10:30. And that's going to get rid of a lot of the clouds that are there today. So going to be a mostly sunny day tomorrow, but with that clockwise circulation is going to bring that northwest flow down through Pennsylvania, and that's going to keep temperatures below freezing for the whole day. So then Saturday night, that high pressure moves off our coast to our south, and we'll see this low pressure system up in Wisconsin on Saturday night, and that's going to really move to our north and might bring a few snowflakes for your Sunday, but I really don't anticipate any problems for your Super Bowl Sunday plans. Maybe a few flakes here and there, but nothing in terms of accumulation. And that will head us into our forecast. So for today, 26 degrees, mostly cloudy skies, and as the day goes on, and as that high pressure system gets closer, those clouds will start to dissipate a little bit, and a little bit breezy out there, winds coming from the west at 10 to 20 miles per hour. And into the night, a mostly clear night, so that's going to allow temperatures to drop pretty low, 15 degrees. And it's going to feel even colder with that west-northwest wind at 10 to 20 miles per hour. And so temperatures are going to feel like it's just in the single digits. So if you're going out tonight, make sure you bring some heavy winter gear, hat, gloves, scarf, and cover any exposed skin. Now, for tomorrow, Saturday, 28 degrees, temperature still not getting above the freezing point, but at least there will be plentiful sunshine. Going to be a nice day. Well, it's nice to see the sun here in Happy Valley, which we don't get to see too often in the wintertime. And winds going to be light and variable. Now, let's take a look at your 7-day forecast for Sunday. As I said, a little bit of flurries, but nothing in terms of accumulation. And as you can see, those temperatures bounce back to the 40-degree mark. That's even a few degrees above the average. And then for your Monday, a nice day, high of 42 degrees under partly cloudy skies. And for Tuesday is when we're tracking this storm. Now, right now, it's looking like it's going to be mostly a rain event, some pretty heavy rain throughout the day Tuesday. And that's going to persist into your Wednesday. And we might see on the back end of that storm some snow mix in, but overall mostly a rain event. And for your Thursday, as that cold front passes through, temperatures very cold, high of just 23 degrees. For the Center County Report, I'm Brian Cizek. Have a great weekend.